solve the equation 1/256 all to the power of x equals x. Equation 1 can be written as 1/256 to the power of x equals x. Since x doesn't equal 0, so 256 to the power of x equals 1/x. By rearranging the equation, raise both sides of the equation to the power of 1/x. X times 1/x is 1. So 256 equals 1/x, all to the power of 1/x. 256 can be written as 4 to the power of 4. So 4 must equal 1/x. Thus, x equals 1/4 by rearranging the equation. This is one solution. Are there other solutions? Since y equals 1/256 to the power of x is strictly decreasing, y equals x is strictly increasing. So y equals 1/256 to the power of x, and y equals x have only one intersection point. Hence, x equals 1/4 is the unique solution of the original equation. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.